what I'm going to do here, I'm going to mount this so it looks nice and neat. I'm going to mount
Right.
it just like. Just have this.
I'm just gonna. So what I'll do is, I wanted to show you.
These are the wires that went to the amp meter. I cut them off because they wouldn't unscrew from the amp meter.
Yeah.
Okay, but it's all burnt through here, right up to the,
Fuse
not
panel.
all the way into the fuse panel. Oh yeah, all the way into the fuse panel. See it?
Oh yeah.
Right there.
Yep.
Okay, up to the ignition switch.
Wow.
This is the other side of the amp meter.
Right.
This is the red side of the amp meter, which is the positive side,
Mm-hmm.
and this is the negative side of the amp meter that goes to the ignition switch. And where the hell's the bulkhead connector?
Right.
Bulkhead connector.
Look at that.
Right. There it is.
Oh shit.
And that's the
Fired
wire.
up.
That's the wire that was there.
That was the fusible link.
That's the one. Yeah. Yep. Because it goes from there right to the battery post on the solenoid.
Right. So originally you were right though. When I started to do the fusible, you're like, it's pretty much all probably not looking good at some level.
Well, because older Chryslers, they used to just, this shit would happen. I don't know how many dusters I used to do a lot of. Pull the dash apart, and back then, the guys that I worked for back then, they wouldn't buy new harnesses. They had me fucking stringing wires and
Cut
shit.
and splicing and all that?
Stupid shit, yeah.
No, but just backing up to like last year when we did it, it was like, you're better off doing all this, and here I am.
Exactly.
But it's,
Yep.
I'm glad too. I don't want any major.
I'm very happy that we didn't just put the under the hood because you'd
More
end up,
stuff.
yeah, the fucking thing would have burned up on you one day. You know?
Yeah.
So that was the good news.
Right.
Okay. The whole other side of the car was all back together, fuse panels in.
Yeah.